Hello, welcome to my channel. A very happy Diwali to one and all, friends and families. Today I'm going to show you the basic method of making biscuits. They only need 5 ingredients. 2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of maizena, half a cup of icing sugar, and 225 block of Rama margarine. And thereafter we have jam for the topping, and if you want to change your flavor you can normally add cocoa powder to make it a chocolate flavor. So for this amount of dough you use 5 teaspoons of cocoa flour, but if you wanted a custard flavor, so you use 8 tablespoons of custard powder in the same method. You can use your imagination by using Smarties topping, 100,000, chocolate vermicelli, if you got a lot of kids running around. Here's my cup of maizena. I'm going to sift it through. My half a cup of icing sugar, my 2 cups of flour. Always use it on level cups. Now I will take in my Rama butter, which is 225 grams, and I had it out for a while so it can be soft to handle for the dough. And when your dough becomes very sticky, you can let it sit in the fridge for a little while before handling it. So we fold in the dough, the butter into the dough, and we make it a soft dough. Now that I kneaded the dough, it's not too sticky. This is how it looks, so I can continue making my biscuit. But if you feel your dough becomes a little sticky, you can make it rest in the fridge for a little while. Thereafter I sprayed my tray with the spray and cook, and I've already got my oven preheated to 150, depend on your oven heat. And then I have a few nozzles. This type nozzles actually make the long type of biscuit where you dip the ends into melted chocolate. And these nozzles can help you to actually, if you're using jam, you can actually use it for dripping of your jam, and you can make some cluster biscuit with these nozzles. There's different type of nozzles, but this is a number 12 nozzle that I prefer to use to show something quickly for y'all. I will start with my biscuits. I have half a tumbler of water here. I'll show you all exactly what I've been doing with the water. I put in a little dough into my nozzle. And then I dip my thumb into the water so it won't let my thumb stick to the dough. It will create a flour type of a, see, that's a thumb. And each time I keep dipping my thumb into the water so it releases my thumb.
And you keep repeating this process for each biscuit.
You can keep repeating this process for each biscuit.
How many biscuits will come out?
Almost 40.
3 dozen, 3.5 dozen.
Almost 3 dozen. Almost there, depend now where we're going to. These are my quick recipe biscuit, squeezed out of the nozzle. Now I'm going to use my smaller nozzle to squeeze the jam, using the water to help me out to release. You can use Smarties, hundreds and thousands. As I said, chocolate vermicelli. Always dip your fingers in water and use your hundreds and thousands. There's, I'm done with the jam on the biscuit. Now I'm going to push it into my oven for 30 to 45 minutes. But you must always monitor yours. Oven work differently. And give them good spacing so they can spread.
The oven was preheated to 150 degrees. And yeah, 30 minutes should be fine, but just watch it.
Now that is 35 minutes, my biscuits are done. I will remove it from the oven and let it cool, and then pack it into an airtight container.
And the next batch is ready to go in.
And the next batch is ready to go in for another 35 minutes.